Hi everyone. In this video, we'll be going over running a Hello World whittle. First creating one and then running one using Cromwell. Let's first open up our task. Yeah. So here's our objective. We'll be writing and running a Hello World whittle. In order to complete this, you'll need to have Java 8 installed on your system. Once Java 8 is installed, we can begin. We'll first start by creating the directory structure listed here. We'll need to create a tools directory, which will contain our Cromwell jar file. Next, we'll have a workflows directory, which will hold our Hello World whittle. So let's first get started with creating these directories. Next, we'll download our Cromwell executable. I'll go into the tools directory and wget that executable. Once we have our Cromwell downloaded, we'll start writing our Hello World file. So let's go to our workflows directory. I'm going to be using Vim. All right, so the way I see it, a whittle script can be broken down into two main parts: the workflow and the tasks. In the workflow, we indicate what tasks we want to perform and in what order. Now, in the task part, we define the tasks from our workflow block with the commands we want to perform and the output that we want to capture. So we'll start by creating our workflow block. So here it is, workflow, create that block. We'll name our workflow block. In this case, we'll call it Hello World. We'll put in some space in this block. And again, in our workflow, we are indicating what task we want to run. And we indicate this by calling a task. And the task that we'll be calling in this workflow is say hello. Okay, so now our workflow block is ready. We'll move down to our tasks area. And again, in the tasks area, we are defining the tasks from our workflow block. So in our workflow block, we have a task that we're calling called say hello. So we'll create a task block for it. And we'll define this task say hello with the command block and an output block. The command block will hold the shell command that we want to run. And in this case, we'll be echoing hello world. And in the output block, we're indicating what we want to capture from our command. Okay, so in this output block, we are capturing the standard out from our command, which would be hello world, and we're putting it in this output variable called output string. And we declare that variable to be a string here. And that's pretty much it. I'm just going to clean up this code really quickly. And again, to review, we have our workflow section where we are indicating what task we want to run. We indicate it by calling the task say hello, and then we define that task say hello in this area. So we have a task block for say hello, and within those blocks we have a command block and an output block. Command block will hold the command echo hello world, and the output block will store the standard out into this string. And after that, we're ready to run this workflow. So I'm going to write this and exit. All right. We wrote our hello world script. Last thing to do now is to run that hello world. Here is a script we can use. I'll just copy this. And all right, I'm currently in my workflows directory. I can run it from here. I'm going to paste that command. So we are using Java, running this cromwell.jar file from our tools directory. We're telling Cromwell to run the following workflow in our workflows directory called hello world. All right, so if we scroll up a little bit, looks like the workflow succeeded, and the output variable is right here. So Cromwell will tell us where our output is located. Here's the file. We copy that and just use cat to print what's inside that file. And there it is, hello world. And it's as simple as that. That's how you write a hello world script and execute it using Cromwell.